Hi friends, good morning everybody. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today is the very much important topic which I want to deliver it to you guys, because the second chapter of how to win friends and influence people will truly mesmerize your life, will truly change your thought process, and will truly change your way of thinking, how you think as of now till you for your life, and your way of thinking and your way of progressing in your life will totally change. Okay, so this video was till the end to understand the step-by-step factors which is recommended to move ahead in your life. And I have taken it from the second chapter of my favorite book, How to Win Friends and Influence People, by Dale Carnegie. Okay, he is a very good public speaker. If you just Google him, you will get to know what he does. Okay, so the second chapter deals with what is the greatest biggest secret of dealing with people. Yes, you heard it right. What is the biggest secret that you can help yourself with to deal with the people? So how can you deal with people? Till now, how have you dealt with the people? Because you don't know their psychology, you don't know the other people's mindset, you don't know what he or she thinks. Okay. So if you want to deal with the people, you have to take that eagerness out of that other person. Okay. What is that eagerness, friends? The eagerness of doing something. If you let that other person to do what you want, okay, you have to give your full efforts to take the best out of that other person. Okay, this is very much important, which I want to tell you, friends. If you want to deliver your best, if you want that the other person do their best, okay, create an eager want. Create an eager want so that he or she does it automatically. You don't have to push that person to do that, because you know that this thing, maybe the business, maybe anything which is good for the other person, and you know that this thing will change his or her life. Then give them that opportunity. Okay, make them do those things which is good for that other person. Okay, and the main thing is, what are the things that revolves around a human being? What are all the things that helps person to grow? What are the those things which people do in their day-to-day life, which people desires about? Good food, okay, good sleep, proper health, sexual gratification, and this understanding and a feeling of being important. These are all the important things. And for those who are married, for them, the well-being of their children, those who have children. Okay, so these are the basic few aspects that every people in their day-to-day life urges to achieve. Okay, so how there is something more that they can do. Out of these 6-7 factors which I told you, there is only one thing which people urges the most. What is that thing, Fred? Can you guess what is that thing? The desire to feel important, friends. This is very much important. If you don't have that desire to make yourself feel important, then you will not be doing what you are doing now. Okay, maybe you are good at studies, you are achieving something big in life. Why? Because you have that desire to make yourself feel important. You want that other person appreciate you for all the good deeds that you did in your life. Okay, so this is the important thing which creates a desire out of you. Okay, and it may happen that in other cases as well, not in case of studies, in case of career also. Why you want to go for a job? Okay, because you want to get a suitable proper lifestyle. Okay, you want to have a proper incoming of money and name, fame also. You want that other people appreciate you because you got a good position in your company. Okay, everything requires a desire to feel important. Then why are we not giving that importance to other people? Because we are living in a surroundings, we are living in a surrounding of people. Those, let's suppose they are family, friends, relatives, neighbors, they all want to feel important. Then why are we criticizing them always? Why are we thinking bad about them? Why can't we think good about them? Why can't we make them feel important? Okay, if you want to feel important, if you want other person to make you feel important, then you also have to do something that because of you somebody else gets feel important, and it creates a magnetic and dynamic personality within you. It emerges that magnetic and dynamic personality within you. And when you started emerging as a magnetic personality, all people will started getting attracted towards you. Okay, and I can give you the live example of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, he came from a very middle class family, very lower middle class family, I must say, in a small village. He was just born and brought up in a very small village. From there he grows. From there he went up, and then he emerged to be a big rocket scientist. Okay, so if a small middle class people can do those things, can achieve the great things, then why can't you? Okay, I'm telling you example of one more thing, the influence, how influence works. I want to tell you that there was one driver of APJ Abdul Kalam who just drives him to and fro from wherever he want. Okay, see the mindset, how mindset of a Kalam works, and how the influence of great people works. That driver worked for few years with Kalam, and Kalam inspired him so much. Dr. Kalam inspired him so much that now, today, do you know what he became? That driver of APJ Abdul Kalam at that time. Now, what he is now? Now he is a professor of a college. Just think, from driver to professor. See the journey. Okay, so this thing we need to understand. We need to come under the influence of the people, those we inspire to become, those where we inspire to go. We want to be like them. Okay, so we should come under the influence of those people. You know about Charles Dickens, friends? Charles Dickens is a great novel. Why he wrote so much great novels? The desire of feel important, the desire of feeling important. I want to tell you about children. Okay, if children get good grades in their exams, okay, if we don't appreciate them, they will feel demotivated. So they also need that thing. They also need the desire to be felt important. So these things we should must consider in each and everybody's life, because everybody is meant to be felt important. Okay, that's why they are here in this world. Okay, if you don't give importance to other person, then you will feel isolated. You will be isolated. Nobody will give importance to you as well. Okay, if you want that you must get importance, then you start giving importance to other people with whom you are living with. So these are very much important, which I want to tell you today. Okay, and the one famous line which I want to tell you from my famous book, this the book How to Win Friends and Influence People, which I read, and this book I recommend to every people, those who want to be great and successful in their life. One line it is written in a book, I must read it out for you all. If some people are so hungry for a feeling of importance that they actually go insane to get it, imagine what miracle you and I can achieve by giving people honest appreciation this side of insanity. You understood? If you give someone an honest appreciation, then they will be stick towards you. Okay, this feeling of honest appreciation will make you feel important, will make you go above all people. Okay, this thing is very much important. We must understand this. Famous people, Dale Carnegie also told about this. 95% of the time what we do, 95% of the time we think only about ourselves. We think about what we want, where I want to go, what I want to achieve. All the time, 95% of the time we just think about this. So is it beneficial to think always about me 95% of the time? Is it good? No. We start thinking about those who want to do something in their life, and just think what contribution you can do for them, so that they can become something great in life. What contribution you can do? Just think, what is the quality which is present in you, which you can give to them, so that they become successful in their life. There must be something that you are good at but they are not, and there must be something that they are good at but you are not. You have to find that thing, and we have to work like that. Group discussion is very much important. Team meetings are very much important, because their strength and weaknesses are getting cleared out, and somebody's strength is somebody's weakness, somebody's weakness is somebody's strength. So we need to work accordingly, and this thing results in a very good approach to achieve something great in life. So the moral of the story is, give honest and sincere appreciation to those. Don't criticize anybody. Give honest and sincere appreciation, because you also want to get appreciated for all the good deeds that you did. Just imagine that you are not getting appreciated for all the good deeds. You are not getting appraisals because of any reasons, some politics or any reasons. You are doing very much hard work in your office, but you are not getting that much satisfaction in your job. You are not getting good appraisals. Then what will you do? You will think of other opportunities. You will think of leaving the company and going to other company, right? Then why this thing happens? Because nobody appreciated you, nobody greeted you, nobody told you that you did this tremendous effort to achieve something great for the company. Okay, so these things, feeling of being importance is very important, and this is the second chapter of How to Win Friends and Influence People. Okay, so I hope you like and subscribe my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel if you like it, and I will make this kind of videos further as well to motivate your life, because my main goal is to change people's life, and I am also changing, and I want people's life to get changed in a due course of time. Make use of this lockdown period and do something great in life. Okay, because doing something great requires that action. Be an action taker. If you are not an action taker, you will not be going anywhere. Just reading, just thinking doesn't let you go where you want to achieve. Okay, if you want to achieve something great in life, take an action. Be an action taker, and take all necessary steps required to go where you want to go in your life. Don't think like there can be another life and I want to do something another life. There is nothing like another life exists. Whatever you want to do it in this life, so that there is no regret left for the other life to carry forward. Okay, so thank you. I hope you all like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.